In this video, we will do a full Bitcoin price prediction. We'll take a look at some technical analysis, but apart from that, I'll also show you some other graphs, some other statistics you need to know to have somewhat of a better idea of what Bitcoin will do. We'll talk about what's possible in terms of price action as well. So without further ado, let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video, and basically, like I said, what we'll do in this video is we will do a full Bitcoin price prediction. We will start off with a technical analysis. I'll tell you what the technical situation around Bitcoin is right now, and then we will take a look at some other numbers which are also very, very much important to have a better understanding and a better idea of what's going on in the world around Bitcoin, which also influences Bitcoin, and some other statistics you do need to know. Alright, so that's what we'll talk about in this video. So let's just get right into it. So first of all, if you take a look at the technical structure for Bitcoin, what you'll see is that obviously Bitcoin right now is very bullish due to some big news we had and the potential ETF coming up for Bitcoin in January. Right now, basically after that initial spike we got for like when that rumor was there about the ETF that it was accepted, since then Bitcoin has been very bullish. It's been pulling up since the 19th of October. This impulse wave did stop around the 24th of October, right? So it went on around 5 days or so. There still is a lot of bullish momentum, and as you can see right now, the market structure for Bitcoin is still very bullish. You can very well see that on the daily time frame, as we are very high, like in terms of price movements. The last time we were at these levels is May 2022, alright, so 1.5 years ago. And then apart from that, if you consider the price structure after this impulse wave or impulse move, you can see that then the price has actually been solidly trending up in this channel right here. Basically right now it's been following this trend line roughly, alright? The trend lines are not one-on-one, so the trend lines cannot be respected completely, but for now, they have been respected. And there are also other indicators which do point towards a bullish Bitcoin. But for now, it's really this channel, so the main support right now is 34,800, 35,000, and the main price target on the short term is, after hitting support, this area right here, between 36,500 and 37,500. That's really the next main resistance level. That does not mean that Bitcoin cannot get higher than that, but that does mean that it is expected that Bitcoin will get up there and that Bitcoin will find resistance there. Now, in the end, the expectation that Bitcoin will get up there, I think, is pretty solid, but what could happen, that's a different scenario. Right now, it still seems most likely that Bitcoin will respect this channel, this upwards channel, and with that channel will reach the price targets. A different possibility is that after this initial impulse wave right here, Bitcoin needs to settle down a bit, right? So a potential scenario is that Bitcoin drops down below this level right here at 34,750 and drops down a bit lower towards 34 and 33,500. That's a possibility. That would still mean Bitcoin is bullish, and then it will just consolidate in this area right here between 35,400 and 33,500, and eventually still the most likely scenario is a bullish breakout up to 37,000. That's partially because of the strong fundamentals that it has right now. Partially also what we're seeing is that the dollar strength index, which is negatively correlated with Bitcoin, so basically if this goes down, Bitcoin goes up, has seen a significant drop since the 1st of November and is now at resistance. Alright, so on the short term, you can already expect some bearish momentum, so bullish momentum coming in. And in general, it's expected that after this huge uptrend right here, it will get some more bearish momentum in the next few months, which positively influences Bitcoin. So that's another reason why this level right here at 36,500, 37,500 is to be expected. Then apart from that, we also see that the open interest since the beginning of November is growing. So that means that more and more positions are being opened for Bitcoin, which means that at some point of time, we will get a lot of volatility. And due to the other things we talked about, that volatility is more likely to be bullish, even though I must say that most of the last Novembers in the last 5 years have been bearish, except for 2022. And what was 2022? That was the year before the bull market. And 2024 is expected to be a year where a bull market, or at least the start of a bull market, is a possibility. So I'm not saying it will happen, but even though most Novembers have been bearish, it looks like that's not going to be this November. More bullish momentum is expected, according to my analysis. So definitely keep an eye on Bitcoin. Look for some long entries if you find some. But for now, that is this full technical analysis and general analysis on Bitcoin. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.